students. Today we discuss about email. Email is an electronic mail and it is used for sending message from one device to another. Email is short form for electronic mail, and it was designed as a program to exchange messages that are stored within a computer. And by using email you can send non-text messages like images, video, sound files, etc. History of email. Email was developed in 1965 and it was first known as mailbox, and the present name electronic mail was coined in 1993. And functionality: email is a part of a protocols which include TCP/IP protocol, and it is based on a TCP/IP protocol. And for sending emails we use SMTP protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, and while receiving email we use POP3 protocol. Now there are different fields of data in an email. First is standard field, in that we have to, object and body, and in optional field we have from, attachment, CC and BCC. To means to whom we want to send. Subject means the main subject, main idea of the message that you want to send. Body means part of the email. Body is the most important part of the email, and this is where the message will be written, and included all the necessary informations from images, texts and file attachments. Optional fields are CCC, this is a carbon copy, and BCC is a blind carbon copy. And email is classified into two types: email programs and online programs. Email, this is a program that has been installed on your computer or the device, usually in smartphones, PDAs, tablets, etc. In most cases the email program is called email client. And online email is also called an email service or a web mail, and it does not install on your computer. And the examples are Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Gmail and many more. And examples of email program are Outlook, Mozilla, Thunderbird, etc. Advantages of email: free delivery, global delivery, instant delivery, file attachments, long-term storage and resource friendly. This is all about the advantages of email. So email is a electronic mail which is used for transferring or sending messages from one device to another. This is all about email. Thank you.